Who do you think struggles more with mental health? Entrepreneurs or your average Joe? If you clicked on this video, you probably know the answer already. And with May being the Mental Health Awareness Month, it's the perfect time to explore the causes, the struggles, and some helpful tips to cope with the mental health challenges some entrepreneurs face. So, whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or already running an online business, stick around to learn how to maximize your mental well-being. During the first year of the pandemic, the global prevalence of depression and anxiety increased by a staggering 25%. The rise has hit entrepreneurs particularly hard. Studies have shown that entrepreneurs often report higher levels of certain mental health symptoms compared to the general population. Among this group, isolation, lack of resources, and the pressure to adopt the hustle culture can pile up, leading to a mental health crisis. The hustle culture glorifies constant work and achievement, but sometimes overworking is a common coping mechanism among entrepreneurs who cannot deal with their other issues. Because when overworking, you might feel like you're in full control, and you can take off your mind of other problems at hand. However, this relentless drive for success can often aggravate some underlying mental health issues. And a big problem is that many entrepreneurs feel pressure to hide their vulnerability and avoid asking for help because they worry that others might perceive them as weak or unfit to lead. Also, many entrepreneurs work alone or with a small team, which can lead to feelings of loneliness and isolation and make the whole thing even worse. Financial stress also can play a significant role in mental health as well. Unlike traditional employees who receive a steady income, entrepreneurs often face income fluctuations and financial uncertainty. This can aggravate anxiety and feelings of insecurity, further contributing to the mental health challenges. Several mental health conditions seem to be more prevalent among entrepreneurs than in the general public. These include ADHD, substance use disorders, and mood disorders. Furthermore, 1/3 of entrepreneurs report experiencing 2 or more co-occurring mental health conditions. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is crucial for the mental well-being of online entrepreneurs. However, it can be challenging to separate work from personal life, especially when working from home. Establishing clear boundaries and setting aside dedicated time for relaxation and self-care is essential for preventing burnout and maintaining mental health. Having a strong support system in place can help online entrepreneurs cope with the unique challenges they face. These might include a network of fellow entrepreneurs, mentors, friends, or family members who can provide emotional support, advice, and encouragement. Building and maintaining these connections can be vital for maintaining mental well-being. There's a video on this channel in which we go in depth about this topic. I think the biggest foundation to maintaining good mental health is taking care of your physical well-being. Numerous studies have shown a strong link between physical health and mental health, and incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. Here are the main 6 things I do personally on a daily basis to help me improve my mental health through physical self-care. Number 1 is get morning sunlight. Exposure to natural sunlight in the morning can help you regulate your circadian rhythm, leading to better sleep and improved mood. Number 2 is stay hydrated. Drinking enough water throughout the day is essential for maintaining optimal brain function and overall health. Number 3 is exercise daily. Regular exercise has been proven to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Number 4 is go for walks after meals, because taking a short walk after a big meal can aid in digestion and help you clear your mind, giving you a mental break and helping to reduce stress. Number 5 is to avoid processed foods. A diet rich in whole unprocessed foods can improve your mood and overall mental health. And number 6, maintain a consistent sleep schedule. This one is really important. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and try to keep a consistent sleep schedule. Do not sacrifice on this. Good sleep hygiene is essential for mental health and can help prevent burnout. By incorporating these physical self-care habits into your daily routine, you can significantly improve your mental health and better cope with the challenges of being an online entrepreneur. Taking care of your body often goes hand in hand with taking care of your mind, so prioritize both aspects of your well-being to achieve success in your online business endeavors. And 4 other things you can implement right now beyond physical health are: number 1, to limit your social media usage. Reducing the time spent on social media can help you minimize the pressure to constantly compare yourself to others. Then number 2 is to accept your struggles. To recognize that it's normal to experience mental health challenges as an entrepreneur. You don't have to punish yourself or feel bad for struggling. Number 3, maintain a consistent work schedule. Instead of working excessively and then taking a long break, aim for a balanced, steady work schedule. consistency, and momentum are crucial for success. And number 4, focus on the present. Do not obsess over the past or the future. Living in the present moment helps you to reduce anxiety and stress. So if there's one conclusion I want you to take away from this video beyond the specific themes I mentioned, is the fact that it is possible to get better. So no matter what you do or how you do it, just remember that it's possible to change any situation, no matter how bad you might be feeling right now. Now, you can try to figure out how to make money online on your own, but if you want to go straight to the right answer and learn literally the best method that exists out there as of right now that's helping complete beginners go from $0 to $1,000 a day without any previous experience, click the link in the description to sign up for this week's free workshop and you'll learn how you can start earning a sizable income online as fast as possible. So click the link in the description now.